This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rosie Shetley. Charming 4-bedroom pool home on 4.30 acres with detached 1,821 square feet garage/workshop, outdoor kitchen, no HOA CDD and zoned agricultural. Experience the best of Florida country living in this beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath pool home nestled on 4.30 acres of private, landscaped land. Inside, enjoy an open, spacious layout with a modern kitchen and plenty of room for everyday living and entertaining. Step outside to your screened-in pool and custom outdoor kitchen, perfect for year-round gatherings. The property features mature fruit trees and wide open space to roam, garden, or relax. What makes this property truly special is the detached 1,821 square feet garage/workshop with electricity, ideal for car collectors, hobbyists, small business owners, or serious storage needs. An attached 2-car garage adds everyday convenience. Zoned agricultural with no deed restrictions, you're free to bring your horses, chickens, RV, boat, and all your toys. Whether you're looking to start a mini homestead or just want space to spread out, this is the lifestyle upgrade you've been waiting for. With no HOA or CDD fees, enjoy total freedom in a peaceful setting, just a short drive to schools, shopping and dining. Conveniently located near Hudson Beach/Sam's Beach Bar, 11 minutes, Sun West Park, 7 minutes, Weeki Wachee Springs, 17 minutes, Werner Boyce Salt Springs State Park, 15 minutes, Tarpon Springs, 40 minutes and Tampa International Airport, 50 minutes. Don't miss this unique opportunity to own a one-of-a-kind property that offers space, freedom, and the lifestyle you've been dreaming of. For more information, review the details below.